Have you ever wondered how to make your crypto investments more profitable? The crypto market is a vast universe filled with potential, and staking can play a crucial role in amplifying those gains. One of the most promising staking opportunities that's been creating a buzz is RSTK. It's not just a token, it's a ticket to a profitable journey, the crypto world. However, keep in mind, like all cryptocurrencies, investing in RSTK is a high reward venture. Interested in taking the leap? Stay tuned to learn about the step-by-step process of staking RSTK. Before we dive into the process, we need to understand what RSTK is. RSTK, or RStake, is a unique cryptocurrency designed to maximize your profits through a process known as staking. It's not just your everyday digital currency, it's a powerhouse in the crypto world, built on a secure and advanced blockchain technology. Its purpose? To grant investors like you an opportunity to earn impressive returns. RSTK is an innovative tool in the financial landscape that offers a multitude of benefits. It's a chance to grow your portfolio, to tap into a new market, and to secure a steady stream of income. What sets RSTK apart are its unique features. It's not just about holding the currency, it's about engaging with it. Staking RSTK can lead to high returns, making it a potential goldmine for investors seeking to capitalize on the digital currency boom. Now that we have a basic understanding of RSTK, we can proceed to the exciting part, the staking process. The first step to stake RSTK involves purchasing RSTK tokens. While this may initially seem challenging, it's actually straightforward. RSTK tokens can be bought across a range of platforms, including well-known cryptocurrency exchanges and even on BakerySwap. These platforms offer diverse payment methods, so choose the one that suits you best. Whether it's a credit card, a debit card, or other cryptocurrencies, you're well catered for. However, to buy RSTK tokens, you'll require a digital wallet for storing them. You have plenty of options available, including using a MetaMask wallet. Some wallets provide additional features, such as built-in exchange services, simplifying the buying process even further. After setting up your wallet, perhaps a MetaMask one, you can head over to your selected platform or BakerySwap to buy your RSTK tokens. It's as uncomplicated as, with your RSTK tokens bought and stored in your wallet, you're ready for the next step. Equipped with your RSTK tokens, you're all set to embark on the staking journey. Staking RSTK is a transparent process that can be performed on the BakerySwap website using the MetaMask wallet as your tool. This wallet is your command center, your exclusive launchpad to the world of staking. The first step is to gain access to the staking interface on the RSTK platform through this site. Up next, it's your call to determine the quantity of RSTK tokens you wish to stake. Keep in mind, the more RSTK tokens you stake, the higher your returns, with a passive income of 873% as your reward. Don't stress though, you're the captain of this ship. You establish what works best for your financial goals. After having decided on an amount, it's time to give your transaction the green light. This is where the metamorphosis occurs. With a single click, your tokens are staked. They're now industriously laboring on your behalf, accruing rewards as you focus your energies elsewhere. It's crucial to remember that once staked, your tokens are locked in. But don't sweat it, they're not vanishing into thin air. They're merely preoccupied with generating rewards for you. And there you have it, you've successfully staked your RSTK tokens through BakerySwap, all the while potentially earning a whopping 873% in passive income. Scene script. Staking RSTK isn't just about the process, it's about the potential returns. Imagine a world where your funds are not just sitting idle in your wallet, but are actively helping support a network and earning you returns at the same time. That's the beauty of staking RSTK. When you stake RSTK, you become a crucial part of the network, helping to maintain its security and stability. But you're not just a silent partner. In return for your service, the network rewards you with additional RSTK tokens. The potential returns from staking RSTK can be significant. The more RSTK you stake, the more you stand to earn. Remember, the crypto market can be a roller coaster ride, and while staking comes with its share of risks, it also opens the door to considerable rewards. But it's not just about the returns. Staking RSTK also gives you a say in the future of the network. As a staker, you can vote on key decisions and help shape the direction of the RSTK ecosystem. So if you're ready to take the leap and start reaping the benefits of staking RSTK, there's no better time than now. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Your feedback helps us create content that suits your needs. Until next time, happy staking.